Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. I know this is not necessarily a cleaning video, but a lot of you don't know that I have a vlog channel, so I wanted to let you guys know that in this video. Don't worry, cleaning girls, I will be doing some cleaning, just like a couple of tasks that I needed to do that I won't be including in my next cleaning video. It's more like a vlog, more relaxed. I'll show you guys what I eat, what we eat, the kids when they come home. They're at school right now. I hope the fridge isn't making too much noise in the background. I swear my house is alive. It's always making all these sounds. It's crazy. But anyways, thank you to Daily Harvest for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to try their food. I've seen it all over social media. I'm gonna start the video with that because I'm super hungry right now and everything looks really good. I've been holding on to it just to make this video, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it while I'm preparing it. I'll give you my thoughts and let you know a little bit about the brand. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, don't forget my link for my vlog channel will be in the description. So Daily Harvest sent me a bunch of different foods to try, and I'm starting with one of the smoothies that stood out to me. Mango and pineapple are two of my favorite fruits. I also decided to go with a soup since it was around lunchtime. And I'm the type of person that sets goals for January, but when February rolls around, I tend to fall off my New Year's resolutions. And one of those for 2023 is to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet. And Daily Harvest makes that so easy. Literally, it fits right into my routine. I always gravitate towards easy meals when I have a lot going on for the day. I've been getting up at 6:30 every morning to get ahead of the day. Before my kids get up, I'm already fully dressed, like hair, makeup, all that, so I can focus on getting them out the door on time for school so I can get to work sooner when I get back home. I fell into the habit of skipping breakfast to save time, and I didn't like that for me, so it's convenient to have my meals in the freezer ready to go. Daily Harvest has a variety of tastes to suit your needs. You guys should check it out and use my code jessicatull at checkout. All the information is at the top of my description for you. Okay, I'm done eating. I still have some of my smoothie left, but I'll sip that while I'm doing what I need to do. These two chairs on the counter because I tried to do some cleaning yesterday. I didn't try, I actually did. I cleaned the guest bathroom, I cleaned my room, my bathroom. I still have to clean my toilet and my shower, but I did clean like the tub and other stuff like that in my bathroom. My Christmas tree is still up, you guys. It's January 30th, I think. Yeah, and when I was younger, I used to have my mom keep the Christmas tree up until my birthday, which is January 18th. And I've been wanting to take this Christmas tree down since I put it up. I don't know what. No, I know why it's still up, because it's heavy and it scratches me. And I want someone, preferably a man, to come help me take it down. You already know it's going to be Jody, not no random person. But he's off tomorrow, so hopefully he can help me take that down. I have my Christmas decor all here. I couldn't stand the sight of it anymore, so I just put it all on this table. I'll show you guys how I do that. I showed you guys last year, but I'll show you again. I gotta get this Christmas decor out of here. I don't like seasonal decor. I thought it was just that I didn't like the color red, but it turns out I just don't like too much clutter in decor like I used to. It drives me crazy. So I'm gonna put that away. I'm going to do a couple of other things. I made a list. I don't remember. Let me get my phone. And my smoothie girl. That scared me. I jump so easily when I'm at home alone because it's so quiet in here. Okay, so I'm going to clean my toilet, put all the laundry on the couch away. If you saw my last video, my laundry folding video, it's borderline the same situation happening right now, but I'm gonna get that all done and put away before the kids get home from school. And I have some more laundry to do. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5 loads of laundry. I'm not gonna get that all done today. I do wanna organize my closet and fix the couch up and spray it down. I need to wash my couch covers, but it's so hard, you guys. Oh my gosh. I don't like doing it. I really don't. They're not even that bad. We don't really spend that much time on the couch. We watch movies and shows mainly in my room. But lately, since Ruby and I have been watching basketball games together, we watch them on the couch. I'm not gonna worry about cleaning my couch covers right now. They'll be fine. What else? Oh, I'm also gonna prepare dinner. Oh yeah, I'm making chicken wings for dinner tonight. The kids ask for chicken wings at least once or twice a week. So I put them in the fridge last night to defrost, and I'm going to season them so for later they can be ready to go and well seasoned. I have to clear out the dishwasher. You'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put music over this part. So I got caught up chatting with my girlfriend, but I did get the laundry done. Picked up the kids from school. I'm about to make food for them now. And that's pretty much it. When I took the chicken wings from the fridge, they were still kind of frozen. So hopefully they're defrosted now. I'm gonna wash it, cut it up, season it. And I guess I'm just gonna make them now. I might make them later, we'll see. But I know the kids are hungry, so I have to make them something to eat.
Are you filming?
Yeah. And also, did I tell you guys earlier in the vlog that Amir woke up with a fever in the middle of the night and a runny slash stuffy nose, but by the time we were getting ready for school, he seemed fine. He was his normal self, so I sent him to school because y'all already know the school making a big deal about absences, and we actually have a meeting tomorrow morning with the school, and I am ready to go off. I'll tell you. That feels so close. Back up. I'm kidding. Yeah, it is 4:51 right now, but I'm so over this makeup on my face. It feels itchy, and yeah, it's hot today. January 30th, and my battery just died, but it's 84 degrees. Or it's dying. It's still rolling. Yeah. I'm gonna take my makeup off and come back and just chit chat with you guys a little bit before I end out this vlog. I'm not gonna do anything else. I completely forgot that I said I was gonna do my closet in a separate video and my last cleaning video, I think. Is that a dog hair on my camera? I can't believe I'm still finding dog hair. I'll be back. Okay, my makeup is off. And I still need to take a shower. So I'm not gonna do like my full skincare routine. I'll do that after I shower because I need to wash my hair. Oh, feels so good to not have makeup on my face. I am gonna go in with some toner and moisturizer. So I want my skin to dry out. So what do I have coming up? I'm most likely gonna vlog tomorrow for my actual vlog channel. My friend is coming over. We are going to watch Death Note. We started watching it a few months ago, but our schedules just have not been, I still have a little bit of mascara on. Our schedules just have not been matching up, so we haven't been able to watch it for a few months, but he said he wants to continue watching, or there's a certain part that I want him to see. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. And then this weekend, my girlfriend and her husband, who's also my friend, and their kids are gonna come stay with us. And we're gonna film a cooking video. She's really good at cooking. Every time she makes something, I could like smell it through the phone. So I'm excited for them to come. That's gonna be so much fun. There's also a basketball game on this weekend, a Warriors basketball game, which is like our team that we're gonna watch. It's gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait to have a full house full of kids and my two best friends here. I'm just using a really light moisturizer right now. So I might have to, well, I will wet my face again in the shower later. I actually want to take a shower right now. What's up, buddy? Also, I stopped getting my eyebrows done professionally. I've just been doing them at home, like cleaning them up. Because you guys remember last time, oh, that spot's so dark. And it was such a tiny pimple. I should have just left it alone. But sometimes I can't help it. Yeah, I've just been doing my eyebrows myself. My skin looks pretty good. I'm on my cycle right now, so I'm grateful. I have a small little spot coming in here, but I think it's gonna go down. I had one here, but it went away. Thank goodness, because it was hurting yesterday and I accidentally scratched it. Cuddling boy. Oh, look at how this boy cuddles his mommy. Oh my goodness.
No school tomorrow.
Yeah, there's school tomorrow, bud.
After school, and then no school tomorrow.
Yes, there's school the next day after that too. I think I was about to tell you that he still sits in my lap like that. Remember when I used to edit videos and do voiceovers and he'd be on my lap when he was really little? He still does that. I haven't been on my Instagram stories in a while, or on Instagram. I haven't filmed a reel. You guys, the weekend was just, I was in bed most of the weekend, cramping. Oh my gosh. Then my back started to hurt from laying down so much, and I fell really hard off my board, so my shoulder hurts. I don't know if you guys could tell, but earlier when I was cleaning up out there, I was just like, oh, and I had to keep switching to use my left hand. I've been using BioFreeze, but it still hurts. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video so I can edit it and send it in for approval. And then also I am going to be filming tomorrow. Yeah, how's that gonna work out? I have to quit work by 6. Usually I quit by 7, but I'm having company over tomorrow, so I want to at least look a little bit presentable. And I know I said he, but we're literally just friends. I have guy friends that I'm just friends with, so yeah. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again to Daily Harvest for sponsoring. All the info is in the description, as well as the link to my vlog channel. Make sure you guys go subscribe, and I will see you over there.